Hi, Andrei from Kiravo here. In today's video, I'll show you how you can restore individual files or folders from our control panel. First, log into the control panel, then click on your website. In the top menu, go to Backups, and here you will see all the restore points. Choose your restore point, click on Restore, then click Custom. If you want to restore all the files of your website, select Public HTML and click Restore Now. If you want to restore a specific file or folder, double-click Public HTML. You can select the folder you want to restore, then click Restore Now. Let's say, for example, you want to restore the folder of a plugin. Maybe you have updated a plugin and now your website is broken. Now double-click WP Content, double-click on Plugins, select the folder of the plugin you want to restore, then click Restore Now. Click again Restore and wait. Depending on the size of the folder, it may take a while. And that's it. That's how you restore a folder or a file from our hosting control panel.